Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we are going into a head-to-head comparison of Shopify and Squarespace. These two platforms are incredibly popular for building websites and online stores. But which one is the right choice for you in your e-commerce business? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the features, benefits, and potential downsides of both of these platforms. But before we jump into the details, I want to let you know about an amazing offer that we have for you. If you decide to sign up for Shopify, click the link down in the description below to get started with Shopify for just $1 for your first month. It's practically a free trial and an excellent way to test the waters without a big investment. So to get started with Shopify, all you have to do is click that link down in the description and that'll bring you to this page here. All you need to do is type in your email address, just paste your email address in here and go ahead and hit start free trial. From here, it's just going to ask you a couple of questions for the setup process. So just go ahead and fill this out for whatever makes the most sense for you in your journey. Then from there, it's just going to ask you to get started with a Shopify account. So if you already have one, you can go ahead and click this login button here. First up, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is a powerhouse in the e-commerce world, designed specifically for building online stores, packed with features that make it easy to set up, customize, and manage your store, even if you have zero coding experience. To get started, again, just click the link in the description, enter your email, and hit the start free trial button. From there, Shopify will guide you through setting up your account and creating your first store. Once you're in, you'll see Shopify's intuitive dashboard. Here you can manage products, customers, and orders, and dive into detailed analytics to track your store's performance. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to add products, customize your theme, and set up your domain. You can also take advantage of Shopify's built-in marketing tools, run campaigns on platforms like Snapchat and Facebook, and more. Now let's shift our focus to Squarespace. Squarespace started out as a website building platform known for its beautiful design-focused templates. Recently, they've added e-commerce features, making it a solid option for small businesses and creatives who want a stunning website that can also sell products. Squarespace's drag and drop editor is very user-friendly and perfect for those who want to create a visually appealing site without needing any technical skills. To get started with Squarespace, you'll choose a template from their extensive collection. So whether you're creating an online store, a portfolio, or a blog, Squarespace has a template that will fit your needs. After selecting a template, you can customize it to match your brand, add products, and set up payment options. So let's dive into the pros of using Shopify. User-friendly platform. Shopify's interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly. You can launch your store quickly without any technical knowledge. The platform provides step-by-step guides and tutorials, making the setup process a breeze, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Multi-platform selling. With Shopify, you can easily sell on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, making it perfect for influencers and content creators. This feature is especially beneficial for those who want to reach a wider audience and capitalize on the growing trend of social commerce. Customization options. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes that you can customize to reflect your brand. The drag and drop builder allows for easy adjustments, and you can even add custom CSS for more advanced customization. This flexibility ensures that your store can be as unique as your business. E-commerce focus. Built specifically for e-commerce, Shopify's selling tools are flexible and sophisticated. So whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, Shopify has the tools you need. Features like inventory management, discount codes, and abandoned cart recovery help streamline your operations and boost sales. Payment options. Shopify supports over 100 payment gateways, including its own Shopify Payments, which reduces transaction fees. This means that you can offer customers a wide range of payment options, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Integrations. With over 8,000 apps available, Shopify integrates with numerous third-party tools and services to extend your store's functionality. So whether you need email marketing tools, accounting software, or advanced analytics, there's likely an app that Shopify has in the Shopify App Store. Automatic tax calculation. Shopify simplifies tax settings by automatically applying the correct tax rates, especially useful for EU sellers. This feature saves you the time and reduces the risk of errors when calculating taxes for your online sales. Cons of Shopify. Of course, no platform is perfect. Here are some drawbacks of Shopify. First up is pricing. Shopify can be pricey, especially for small businesses and startups. The cost of apps and transaction fees can add up quickly. While the basic plan starts at $29 per month, additional costs for premium themes, apps, and transaction fees can increase your overall expenses. Limited free templates. Shopify offers fewer free templates compared to Squarespace. and most premium themes are pretty expensive. If you want a unique look for your store, then you might need to invest in a premium theme, which can cost between $100 and $200. Transaction fees. Shopify charges transaction fees on top of credit card processing fees unless you use Shopify payments. These fees can affect your profitability, especially if you use a third-party payment gateway. Expensive apps. Many of Shopify's apps come with additional costs, increasing your overall expenses. While there are free apps available, the most powerful and useful ones often come with a monthly fee. Limited blogging features. While Shopify is excellent for e-commerce, its blogging capabilities are not as robust as platforms that are dedicated to content creation. If your business relies heavily on content marketing, you might find Shopify's blogging tools to be somewhat lacking. Pros of Squarespace. Now let's highlight the strengths of Squarespace. Free templates. Squarespace offers over 150 free templates that are visually stunning and easy to customize. These templates are designed with a focus on aesthetics, ensuring that your website looks professional and attractive. Website building features. Squarespace provides a robust set of tools. The platform includes features like galleries, forms, and blogging tools, allowing you to create a comprehensive and engaging website. Selling online courses. Squarespace includes features to sell online courses without needing third-party apps, making it a great option for educators and content creators. You can easily create, manage, and sell courses directly from your Squarespace site. Built-in SEO tools. Squarespace offers built-in SEO tools to help you optimize your site for search engines. You can easily manage meta tags, descriptions, and URLs, and the platform provides guidelines to help you improve your site's visibility. Cons of Squarespace. Here are some reasons that you might not choose Squarespace. Transaction fees. Squarespace charges transaction fees on its lower tier e-commerce plans, which can affect your profit margins. These fees are in addition to the standard credit card processing fees, making it more expensive for high volume sellers. Limited integrations. Compared to Shopify, Squarespace has fewer third-party app integrations, limiting its functionality. If you need advanced features or specific tools, you might find Squarespace's selection of integrations somewhat limited. Learning curve for advanced customization. While it's user-friendly for beginners, advanced customization might require coding knowledge or hiring a developer. If you want to make significant changes to your site's design or functionality, you might need to invest in additional resources. Performance limitations. Squarespace's performance can sometimes be slower compared to other platforms, especially for larger websites with high traffic. This can impact user experience and potentially affect your site's search engine rankings. Pricing comparison. Let's break down the pricing for both platforms. So let's go ahead and take a look at Shopify's pricing. As you can see, they have several different plans here. They have the basic plan, the Shopify plan, the advanced plan, and the plus plan. Now, for most of you getting started, the basic plan or the Shopify plan is probably more than enough, and you can always upgrade when needed. You can also see you can either choose to pay monthly, or if you pay yearly, you're going to save 25%. So here's a look at the difference between the monthly and the annual pricing. Now, with this basic plan, you get up to 77% shipping discounts, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets, and POS Lite. Now, if you have a team and they need their own access to Shopify, you might want to consider the Shopify plan. You get more of a shipping discount and insurance. You get the same 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, but you also get 5 additional staff accounts, which can be super helpful. Now let's take a look at Squarespace's pricing. Squarespace also has several different plans here, and you can choose to either pay annually or monthly. And here's a quick look at the differences in those prices. So for those of you just getting started, the personal plan or the business plan is what I would recommend. Now here on the personal plan, you're going to get mobile optimized websites, which is great because so many people these days are just doing everything from their phones, so you need a mobile optimized site. There are plenty of templates on there. You get a free custom domain, and you can send invoices for free. You can also sell content and memberships. Now, moving on to the business plan, you're going to get everything in the personal plan, but you're going to also get advanced website analytics. You can sell products and services, and the 3% transaction fee for physical products and services. And you can also check out on your domain. Now, take a look at the other 2 plans here, the Commerce Basic and the Commerce Advanced. So with this, you're going to get everything that you get in the business plan, as well as this powerful merchandising feature. So Squarespace Commerce comes with built-in tools designed to help you increase sales, display related products, offer product wait lists, drive urgency with low stock alerts, and more. And the Commerce Advanced plan goes even beyond that. So you can sell subscriptions, there's advanced discounting and advanced shipping. Which is going to be a better platform for you? Choosing between Shopify and Squarespace depends on your specific needs. Choose Shopify if you're focused on building a robust e-commerce store with advanced selling tools and extensive customization options. Shopify is for you if you need to manage a large inventory and sell on multiple platforms. Maybe you require advanced integrations with third-party tools and services. Get Shopify if you want to take advantage of Shopify's comprehensive customer support and automatic tax calculations. Now for Squarespace, choose Squarespace if you're a blogger, artist, or small business owner wanting a beautifully designed website that also supports e-commerce. Squarespace is for you if you need strong content creation and management tools, and if you prefer a platform with a wide range of free, visually appealing templates, or if you want to sell online courses or digital content without needing additional apps. Now let's look at a couple real-world use case scenarios. If you're a small business or startup looking for an affordable and easy-to-use platform, both Shopify and Squarespace offer viable solutions. Shopify's basic plan provides all the essential tools to get started, while Squarespace's business plan offers more design flexibility at a lower cost. Content creators and artists. Content creators and artists will appreciate Squarespace's focus on design and content management. With its beautiful templates and robust blogging tools, Squarespace is ideal for showcasing your work and engaging with your audience. For established e-commerce stores looking to scale, Shopify's advanced features and integrations make it the better choice. The platform's comprehensive analytics, marketing tools, and multi-channel selling capabilities provide everything that you need to grow your business. Final thoughts. Both Shopify and Squarespace are excellent platforms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. By understanding your business's needs and goals, you can choose a platform that best suits you. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on how to get started and be successful with e-commerce. So be sure to subscribe for more. Now, don't forget to check out the link down in the description to get started with Shopify for $1 for your first month. Once again, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video.